Hello students, ready for the revision for the next chapter? Fiber to fabric. Let's begin. What are fibers? The finer part of the thread is referred to as fiber. Fiber is a thread-like structure that is spun into ropes, clothes and strings. Fabric are made from the fibers obtained from the natural or the artificial sources. Example, rayon, nylon, polyester, etc. So, from the fiber we make yarn, from the yarn we make fabrics. And the fabric consists of a thin strands called yarn, which in turn consists of thinner strands called as fiber. Okay, so fiber consists of thinner strands of yarn, which in turn consists of thinner strands called as fiber. So what can I say about fiber? It is the smallest element in textile. And what are the yarns? They are the twisted strands of fibers. And then we are making fabric, that is a cloth which is made up of various methods. Now, these fibers can be of two types, that is natural fiber or synthetic fiber. In natural fiber, we have plant fiber, animal fiber. And synthetic fiber, we have the synthetic fibers are those fibers which are made in the labs by the use of chemicals. So these are nylon, rayon, Dacron, etc., which we shall discuss in detail in your 8th standard. So let's see about natural fiber like plant fiber and animal fiber. In plant fiber, we have cotton, jute, coir, hemp, etc. In animal fiber, we are having wool fiber and silk fiber. Now, plant fiber you have studied in your 6th standard. In 7th standard, we are going to see about two animal fibers, wool fiber and silk fiber in detail. Now, what are wool fibers? The wool fibers are obtained from the fleece of sheep, goat, yak, any of the domestic animals from where we can get this wool, we obtain the wool fiber. Then, when we obtain this wool, it has to be processed. Okay, there's a processing of the wool involved. In the processing of wool, we have the first process, shearing, where the hairs are removed, they are shaved off from the body of the animals. Then after the hairs are removed, they are sent for the scouring. A scouring is a process where they are putting into a big machines, the hairs are dipped in it. Yes, now then scouring take place. So different kinds of varieties of hairs are separated. Then after this, the chemicals are also put here so that whatever microbial growth have taken place, those can be removed. Then we have sorting. Sorting is done. Then the picking of the blurs. If any burrs are there, we can pick it up so that it does not destroy the quality of your fiber. Then after picking your burrs, then it is a dyeing process where you put different colors, and then the finally it is weaved and knitting of the yarn takes place, and then it is sent into the industries. Now detailed study of each process, you should be knowing it. Processing of wool is very important part of the chapter. Now when these workers who are involved in this processing of wool, they face many occupational hazards. They have faced many disease. Anthrax, which is caused by bacillus anthracis, caused is also called as sorter's disease. So the workers who are working in this wool industry, they face this sorter's disease. This is about the wool. So you should know the animals which are providing the wool. You should know how this wool is being processed. Then the occupational hazard involved in the wool industry. Next is silk fiber. Now silk fiber is obtained from the silkworm, and then we get different types of silk: muga silk, mulberry silk, airy silk, tussar silk. So different varieties of silk we should know. Then the most common silk which we take is from the mulberry silk. Here we have the life cycle of the silkworm. The silkworm are used for rearing of the silk. So then we have to rear them. So rearing is a process where we grow them, where we put them where we provide them with the food. So the silkworm have a life cycle. From eggs it goes to the caterpillar, then cocoon, then pupa, and then adult. And the silk is removed and it is been again processing of silk is done, where whatever silk has been obtained from the cocoons, it is been boiled and then reeling takes place. So processing of silk, again a very important part. Life cycle of the silkworm, very important part. You should know each and every stage of it with the diagram. Also, the people who are involved in the silk industry, they face many occupational hazards like asthma, respiratory disease, burning of skin, blisters, and open injuries. Okay, so no job is an easy task. So this chapter is very easy chapter. You should be knowing everything in detail. Anything can be asked in the exam. But see to that whatever is asked, you write that only. Okay. Thank you.